Good morning, Sergey. Hello. Checking what's going on with my certificates. Kind of asked. Where it is in profiles? No. Services, keys. Identifiers, maybe. Oh yeah, here it is, basically requested and approved. Family controls are approved, but how can I find those other identifiers? Yeah, by name, of course. Too many app names. Sheesh. Habits, computer, watch kit. It's something with shield. Okay, here it is. Focus lock monitor. Can I open it? A new? No. New tab will not work. Yeah, family control, development only, still pending for release. Capability requests. So many. Foundation font. Family controls submitted. Yeah. We're still waiting for approval. That will take some time. That's a bit annoying. Good morning, Hamza. Hey, Paul. Hello. I'm excited to get hands-on with this app version, hoping to complete the release as soon as possible. Yeah, it's kind of... I'm waiting for a release version. I need one more approval. Daytime. Yeah, I'm in Bangkok now, exactly. Flood? No, we don't have any flood. Everything is just perfectly fine. Everything is good, but yeah, thank you. It's all right. All right. Everything is all right. So yeah, I am basically... I would like to release this app in the App Store already, but I'm waiting for approval for 2 more targets because I have target here for focus lock monitor. Okay, I could ship up without them, to be honest, but what those do? So we in the application we have app blocking kind of. We can block apps. All right. So here I will provide access. Let's say all the social apps should be blocked. And the thing is, currently when I'm focused, the social apps will be blocked. Of course, we don't have any on simulator here, but basically when you click on some application, then it should be, we should basically show this kind of lock screen thing. Okay, let's go to the settings. Can I block specifically my applications that I have installed? Edit apps, edit apps. All apps and categories. Do I have any app on device. Maybe other. Oh, probably it will not show any installed any applications on simulator. Yeah, I don't see any app here. Anyways, basically when we block the apps and we try to open them, then we can show custom app locking shield. Honestly, at this point, I'm already kind of tired of waiting, and I probably will release application as it is, you know, without this custom app blocking screen, and then I can release update. Why? Because we are getting close to the break. Basically, they will have. If you open App Store Connect, you will see that Apple is saying that they will slow down with reviews from the December 19, I think. Let's see. Yes. December 19 to 26, that will be slow reviews, you know. Hey Josh, yeah, you made to another live, exactly. Hello. By the way, on Kick and Twitch we should have music playing and no music on YouTube. Let me know if that works like that for you. Do you hear music on Twitch, and is it without music on YouTube? Did you get notification about age rating confirmation from Apple for apps? Yes, I did, of course. Everyone got them. I updated whatever they asked it to update, and we're good now. Music is playing on Twitch. Okay, that's good, that's expected. And there should be no music on YouTube. I'm hearing some sort of music here on YouTube. Oh, that's not cool. Let me see. Settings. Yeah, we're playing Spotify. And Spotify should go only to the first channel. First channel is going to the Twitch and Kick. And YouTube should go only. Okay, let's disable all the other channels for Spotify. Let family first. Interesting. Music is on YouTube. That is not good. Then we will need to change audio track. Let me see. Audio. The desktop audio is disabled. Yeah. Strange. Okay, then we need to switch quickly audio track. Something is wrong with my config then. Okay, whatever, let's kill Spotify. Let's kill Spotify, let's start our royalty-free music before I got banned. Let's go with something like lo-fi, you know. And I will need to play around a little bit more with those settings. Okay, audio, system audio, playing. Okay, now it should be. No, I just stopped music completely, and now I'm kind of relaunched music from Epidemic Sounds because that's royalty free and we can play it. Without worries everywhere. Okay, I will need to play around a little bit more with that OBS config. I assumed that I kind of sending audio stream to music specifically, only to the Kick and Twitch, but okay, whatever. Visiting tax lord offices, wow. Good luck, dude. Good luck, dude. Yeah, good night. So yeah, I think that idea for today is we basically should wrap up this application. I will ship it without those focus lock monitor and focus lock shield because I can't wait anymore. Otherwise we will be kind of late on the... Otherwise we will be late with review. And basically to ship we need new screenshots because existing screenshots are outdated. Okay, here we have Apple introduced it, updated rating system, blah blah blah. Go to app information. I didn't do that for this application. App page ratings. Wait a minute, should I update this one? I already did that, I think. Yeah, we should be fine with this app. Okay, whatever, doesn't matter. Existing ratings have been automatically adjusted to align with your or updated system before January 31. You must provide updated age rating responsibles. Yeah, but I already did that. I don't remember, maybe not for this application, but let's see. In-app controls, parental controls, age assurance. No. No. Capabilities, unrestricted web, no. User-generated content, no. Messaging chat, no. Advertisement, no. Mature teams, profanity, humor, alcohol, no, nothing. Medical wellness, nope. Health or fit wellness tip topics. Self-care, lifestyle recommendations, not really. Sexuality, no, unfortunately. It's boring, nothing like that. Guns, none. Gambling, no. Age categories, made for kids, no. No. No, that's it. Done for this app. Yeah, probably I didn't do that for this application. Actually, we will change version to like that. Okay, we need... Let's see, do we have cloud session alive? Yes, that's for the same application. Okay, we fixed that bug. Oh, cancel. Please check documentation, roadmap, to-dos and current state of the application to see what we have left for release. We are still waiting for approvals for Shield monitor and Shield personalization targets, so we will ship without them. What else are we missing in the project? I think we are good, but I will just ask Cloud to run throws or to-dos and basically check if I forgot something. I think we should be good. And yeah, Cloud here basically reading documentation because I'm keeping in the project like to-do list, and that's kind of handy because you can look into that, and also you can ask AI agents to kind of look into the documentation. That's just a markdown file, just text document. And basically I have kind of running to-do list, stuff like that. That kind of makes work with AI kind of easier because you kind of keep tracking documentation. Post-release, submission checklist, yeah, that's basically what we have here. And also I already have some kind of marketing posts, stuff like that. I just asked it to generate some ideas. I'm not going to copy paste, that into the Twitter, but I just asked it to generate some marketing ideas and I will use that as inspiration. Competitive analytics and so on, basically the type of documents, nothing fancy. Okay, reading the document. While you are reading the document, so we need to update screenshots. And I should have another cloud session, I think, about screenshots. Let's see. No, not ChatGPT, but cloud. Let me find that project. App Store, maybe? Yeah, here it is. This should be it. Yeah, basically I provided screenshots of the application, explained what application is doing. Somewhere I dropped here, probably here I dropped this document, how to create screenshots, and basically asked Cloud to come up with screenshot sequence. Okay, what do we have here? Release readiness summary. We haven't committed changes. Yes, screen tracking fix. Yes, sure. Didn't we commit them? Let's see. Oh yeah, indeed. Okay. Let's commit those. Yeah. Speed tracking fix. That was it. Test onboarding flow. I kind of tested that already. Paywall works. It's basically QA tasks. And basically I'm using my application by myself as well. Interesting way how what happened with break? Oh, actually I'm not on latest version on my device. I should update. I remember one thing also. These live activities are a little bit broken. Let's try to fix that as well. Let's try to fix that as well. Here is screenshot. Basically, see, live activity is kind of too big. That's dynamic island, right? Quite too wide, probably. Okay, and here are my screenshots. Basically, I can use them probably for App Store. That onboarding is kind of would look nicer, you know, with some kind of animation or anything, but I also don't want to overdo it. I don't know. Let's try to test completing icon. This one is fine, that looks okay, but this dynamic island compact is not. Why that happens and what's wrong is here. Let's try to figure that out. Let's try to figure that out. That lock screen works just fine, no problem with that. Dynamic island expanded. Not sure about that, but okay. Compact leading icon. That looks much better. No, it's not better. And the thing is, it could work normally on device and show glitches on simulator. That's possible. Let's try and let's test on simulator. Focus. Okay, I do not see it at all. Which is not cool. That's weird. Let me think. Can we lock screen? Yeah, here's this lock screen widget that looks fine. It doesn't run on. It doesn't run. Oh, it runs here. Where we have multiple instances of it. This one is current. And this one works correctly. That's exactly what we want to see. Fully focused session, everything was fine. I don't know, dude. The dynamic island looks kinda weird. Why do we not see it? And which is, what is strange, it was working fine on iOS 18. I don't know if that's iOS 26 point something glitch. Oh, actually, it's not the latest and greatest version. Maybe it will work just fine on latest. I don't know. I don't really know. We'll see. Anyways, what problem are we solving here? Yeah. In preview canvas, that dynamic island is stretched too much to the right side. I don't know why it is not centered. Maybe that's preview issue. But when we are running on device and closing the app to get back to the home screen, I see animation that app is going up to the dynamic island, but I do not see activity in dynamic island. That just stays black. Works fine on iOS 18. I had this bug on iOS 26 only. Good morning, Joseph. Music a bit loud. Oh, yeah, okay, sorry. Is it better now? Is it good? Let me know. It should be different. Not sure if better. Okay. That could be the reason for It's a glitch. Let's see if that will fix the problem. Start focus. Go to the home screen. Nope. Yeah, but maybe. It will be fixed on device. You never know. Too low, no? Okay, let's try to get somewhere in the middle, you know? Somewhere in between all those too high and too low things. Okay, let's try again to build on device to see if we have any difference. What do you prefer to use for in-app purchases? Currently I am using Revenue Cat. Why I prefer them? Well, they are easy to recommend. They are free to start for everyone. You are getting all the features for free until you hit something like 2K in a month, I think. Don't remember exactly. And you can build your own custom paywalls by using them. You can build paywalls on Revenue Cat side, basically web interface, and you can run tests and experiments with them. Another one, what I could recommend, is Super Walls, also because of experiments that you can run. And Super Walls are a little bit more expensive than Revenue Cat, but again, free tier is good enough to start, and when you start make money, you can consider is it makes sense to pay to them or not. I'm paying to Revenue Cat every month, and I'm happy to see this invoice growing. So yeah, that's my current choice. And yeah, you need to test. With in-app purchases, you definitely should test both things. Paywalls, you should test paywalls, you should test prices, because if you are not testing, you just basically don't know. Are you doing good or not? Interesting. Which iOS version do I have? Settings, general, about, iOS version 2.6.1. Yeah, but I see the same issue with live activity on device here as well. Yeah, that was me, that crash, because I killed the application on device. Oh cool, I somehow... Oh interesting, I killed this application, and now when I'm restarting it doesn't restart. Maybe because simulator kind of trying to do something, I don't know. Okay, let's try to relaunch it. Ah yeah, now it works. Yeah, that was simulator. Yeah, I don't know, dude. Somehow live widgets doesn't work. In the digital island. Works just fine on lock screen. Yeah, but something is not good here as well. Let's see. Because I should not be kind of able to run kind of multiple those live activities even if I kill and relaunch application. Check the screenshot. Somehow we are able to manage multiple live activities on the lock screen, which sounds wrong because app has just one running session at the time. I use Google AI Studio for building my app UI, and all it took was 1 day for it to build the entire app's UI. Gemini 3 Pro, really good. Managed to add everything that I needed. Less than 24 hours. Cool. Yeah, I didn't try it yet. I have Google AI Studio. You're probably talking about this anti-gravity. I have it installed, but I didn't kind of really try it. I didn't really try that anti-gravity. I have it installed, but yeah. Yeah, that was app restart thing. Ah, Google AI Studio is different. Okay. I don't think Apple fixed the terribly slow Wi-Fi debugging, which they introduced in Xcode 26 Plus. I just left the install first and stopped debugging before testing the devices or scrolling. Oh, you know, I am most often I just have it connected with cable and very rarely using Wi-Fi kind of debug, because yeah, it works, but sometimes you do not see full log for some reason, you know. It's kind of, it was a little bit iffy always. Google Studio is more like lovable. Ah, okay, I see. But they're using the same agents, right? So you're saying Google what? Google AI Studio. As a developer building blah 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 and giving API for professional business purpose, I can send terms of knowledge privacy policy, link it above. No. Okay. Nano Banana Pro, text to speech with Gemini, live code gen AI apps. What's that? I feel lucky. I'm working on iOS mobile application, which is basically Pomodoro timers for programmers. The main idea of application is that users should be able to lock out the applications which are distractive while Pomodoro timers are running. Pomodoro timer length is configurable. What the hell is that Doro? Pomodoro. Timer length is configurable. While timer is running, distracting apps are blocked and users see nice animation with timer and programmer working on project. Think lofi girl, but programmer. Okay, we'll see. Build. Application is using modern SwiftUI architecture, iOS 26 liquid glass design, and it's minimalistic but good looking app. Let's see. It's only React, TypeScript and React Angular for now. Okay. So probably no good reason for me to use it. Deploy your app. Where are you deploying it? Where are you deploying it? Metadata JSON. Yeah, TypeScript. Yeah, I see. Gemini services, TypeScript. I'm still not sold to this kind of. I'm not sold to this approach that you can just, give one prompt and get great, good-looking and well-working application. We are not here yet with AI, but kind of prompting Cloud Code, for example, or prompting in Cursor, whatever model are you using, or anti-gravity, whatever is your cup of tea. I think, those are good tools. You can build decent applications. Okay, whatever. Keep cooking here, yeah. Yeah, sure. You can do basically the same, in whatever tool are you using. If you're basically doing multiple prompts, you will get to the whatever is your goal, you will get to that result. Okay, what's going on? Are we building? Are we running? I think there's no way you can build a reliable, scalable app just by prompting. I disagree with you. And reliable, scalable, those are not really buzzwords, but that's also not strong definitions. That is just, we probably kind of think about totally different kind of scale of projects when we're saying reliable, scalable, and so on. What is scalable? Instagram? Yeah, I got that. Prompting, yeah, sure. Prompting, not printing. Is that, kind of Instagram? That's your scalable project? Yeah, of course. Building Instagram by just prompting will be tricky. But small utility applications, that's, I don't know, what usually indie developers are building. Easy. Hey Ray, hello. Do you find the AI integration with Xcode useful? Not much. not much. I see that AI built in. So here in Xcode settings, I have cloud. Am I signed out already? Whatever, probably. The problem is that, so if you switch from, where is my cloud? So you have models, you don't have latest and greatest models actually. I'm signed out probably, let's see, Xcode, settings. Yeah, I'm signed out for some reason. Let's sign in. Let me sign in. So Xcode losing connection with cloud all the time. I don't know why. So now I authorized cloud. I'm signed in. Okay, perfect. Now we can switch between ChatGPT and cloud, right? Where do we do that? Yeah, here. We have only Cloud Sonnet 4. What the hell? I'm paying for Cloud Max and I'm using Opus 4.5, which is great. But here in Xcode I can use only Sonnet 4. Why? Also, ChatGPT is ChatGPT 5. But ChatGPT just said, oh, or 5.2 is basically super pooper great model and so on. Why we are behind? Why we are behind of latest models in Xcode? That doesn't make sense, you know? So I will say it's kinda little bit useful. Yeah, you can use it to kind of do some more intelligent search in the Xcode project. You can ask where something is used and so on, to do not just rely on just search, but a little bit of AI on this search, you know, to fix some typos, to generate some simple fixes, you know, in code. And you say, okay, there is basically just typo or something. Let's go across the project and basically fix it everywhere. Of course, you can do just search and fix that manually, but you can, that's simple enough task to ask Sonnet 4 or GPT-5 to do that. But yeah, it's useful. If you're asking if it's useful, yes. Is it what I would like to see in Xcode? Not even close. Many indie devs are making 20k plus just by vibe coding. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Yes. That's That's limiting thinking that, oh, you can't build reliable apps using AI tools. That's not true. But I think it's bad for you if you don't have a solid understanding of CS and you just vibing. I think that will hurt you in the long run. CS, that's computer science. Dude, I have computer science degree. I do not use anything from what I learned in university in my day-to-day work. I will not kind of mix computer science and real life programming. Oh, that is horrible design. iOS 26 glass design. That's horrible design. That's AI Studio, Google AI Studio. Basically, we ask it to make the application, but it kind of works. It's horribly looking up. Short, long work, what that means, I don't know. Ah, okay, you are switching between tabs here. What's that? Environment theme, Cyberpunk City, Cozy Rand. cozy raining. Okay. That's horrible. Results are learning. CS itself, what you need to learn is prompting and how to work with the AI to build. Yeah, I will agree with you. I'm not saying that computer science is useless. I'm not saying that you don't need to learn programming. You just jump straight to the vibe coding. But if you are saying, if we should kind of choose from both of those kind of different kind of sides of the same medal, let's say. So should you go all in academic studies and go do computer science studies and so on, or should you go vibe coding and so on? Again, depends on your goals, but if your goal is to make money building your own products, then computer science, going into the deep end, getting professor's degree in computer science is almost useless. And if you will spend the same time and energy vibe coding and building products, you 100% you will make much more money by your own apps, you know. I mean Hey Obnol, I'm in Berlin. Yeah, Berlin is 1 hour behind Latvia. 7:30 a.m. It's dark. Yep. It's sunny. It's warm and sunny in Thailand. Come over here. Probably someone needs to write plugins for AI to interact, gets inspired from Mobin. I actually using screen designs now more than Mobin. This one is great tool. I like that they have basically you have all the apps here as well, and basically when you open it, you immediately will see basically video onboarding, video kind of user interface playing. Static screens are here as well, of course. You can see all of them. I like that, but you also see basically video, like going across applications, and you see all the animations, basically how app interacts and so on. Just by looking on screenshots, you do not see that. And yeah, also you have where it was screen types, user elements, where it was here, yeah, App Store screens, also basically screenshots from the app, what do they use in the App Store and so on. So I switched to this one from Mobin for a while ago. What I mean is that you should be the one who guide AI, no other way around. Yeah, of course. We are. I think that everyone will agree with you here, but you don't need computer science degree for that. I don't like Dribble, to be honest. Because Dribble is kind of designers creating design for other designers to flex. But if you're going to the screen designs, or you're going to Mobin or what else, similar sites, you basically see real applications with real money behind them. Basically, when you open application, you can see basically how much money they are making and so on. So this one, 9 million in a month. 7 steps onboarding, when it is released, how much installs per month, and so on and so on. On Dribble, that's more like, yeah, you can see some inspiration and so on, but big part of those designs are not even real applications. That's just, you know, designers just practicing, creating fancy designs and so on. Yeah, you can find some fresh, interesting ideas. I'm not saying that's a bad place to go for inspiration, but if you would like to kind of more down to the ground kind of thing, then you go here. And you see, if you're building fasting, for example, application, here is 300K revenue. So probably they know what they are doing, 75K in a month. So definitely they have at least one designer in their team, maybe design team. And they tested multiple designs for each and every screen, for onboarding and so on. That's basically tested in production design, not just some design kind of exercise for someone, you know. And they're making money, so they know what they are doing. I saw this type of screen in many applications actually. Basically that's traditional diet doing like that, but with our application you will go like that. I saw a screen like that in many applications actually. Do you know any AI tools that can live change designs for inspiration apart from being similar? No. No, I scan designs for inspiration. No. You can just feed screenshots. You can say, okay, there are 3. I think you should do that still by yourself. Basically, when you are working on application, so let's say you are building, let's say, this fasting application, you should go to you can go to the App Store directly if you don't want to pay for tools like screen designs. Let's say we're looking fast. Maybe I should say fasting, not fast. And you will find basically, yeah, that's fast, wasn't a good example. Probably we need to say fasting. And basically here are multiple fasting applications. You basically should go look into the fasting applications, find 3, 5, 10 applications that you like. Then you basically for yourself do mind notes or write down what you like in those applications, what you don't like, what you will not like in your application. And then basically you just kind of copy some design ideas. I'm not kind of saying copy paste, but kind of be inspired, that gets kind of inspiration from those designs and feed that to AI. Say, for example, here are 10 screenshots. I like this, that. I don't like that and that. Let's work on screen for my application. And basically that's how I do. Maybe there is some kind of tool which can kind of go and analyze and so on, but this tool, whatever, how it will know what you like, what you don't like, right? And you can't just blindly rely on AI to say, oh, build whatever user interface like this or like that for focus application or fasting application and so on. You can, but then you will get some general kind of AI application which will be kind of mid, you know, not great, not bad, something in between. Hey, Godo, hello. Okay, I think this is kind of fixed. Let's commit that change. That was fixed for live activities on lock screen. Okay. Where we are with screenshots. Do you work for clients or self-apps? Both. I do both. Hello, Portugal in the chat. Nice. Okay, this will work. I think. Okay, we will use. I think we will use that Picasso for this application screenshots. Let me check. I think so. Yes, that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what are suggestions? Timer screen idle with app blocking badge. Have you tried Arrive? No, I have no idea what it is. Should I? New way design, build and ship user interfaces. Flash user to do. That sounds like something for web dev. Right? App Store is very crowded. Any app I launch in a few days. Any app I launch in a few days, it will be dead fish. Yes, but that's also in your hands, you know. I'm not saying I have some crazy result, but I don't know, here, for example, this application that we are working right now, it's not much, 32 downloads in last, whatever, 30 days. But, I don't know, $13, it's not nothing, you know. Conversion rate is horribly bad. That's basically on me. That's my problem. I should fix conversion rate. But basically, we got 2.5k impressions, you know, 200 product page views. That's my problem, that conversion rate is so bad. That means that screenshots are not great. I'm not converting those users, so I can fix that, right? What are your statistics? You are saying dead fish. What are you missing? Impressions? If your conversion rate is below 5%, like in my case, that's your problem. This downloads that looks dead fish. Yeah, of course, but then can you tell me what is not dead fish? I agree with you. It's bad, but conversion rate is 2%. What conversion rate do you have for your application? What are product page views? What are conversion rate? What is conversion rate? It is. In my case, I know it is. I'm just fixing this application right now because there is plenty of problems with this app. I'm working on that to fix this and improve. I completely agree with you that it is bad. How bad is your case? So you don't have statistics, right? Opal. Okay, let's see what Opal. Opal basically is just poor screen blocking application. How their App Store screenshots look like. I think that we need, for first screenshot, we need something like something like social apps, something like that. Don't we have screenshots? Welcome screen. App should make at least 100 in a month. Yeah, but I asked a different question. $100 in a month is kind of nothing as well. My question was, what is your conversion rate? So, because in my case, I know that I am the problem. You're saying that App Store is overcrowded. In my case, I know that it's not App Store, it's me. I am the problem for this application. Screenshots are not good, application positioning is not good. I know where is the problem. I'm not sure, I'm not 100% sure I will kind of fix it, but at least I know where is the problem. If you are saying that App Store is overcrowded and you can't launch apps, we can kind of try to figure out that together. Where is the problem? If you want to. If you just want to complain, that's also fine. Because somehow there are hundreds and thousands of developers who are making money in the App Store. My other apps making more money than this one, let's say so. Interesting workout for seniors. Interesting niche for app. Only matters in a purchase? What do you mean by that? Only sales matters? No, it's not true. It's not true. It's not that only sales matters. You should kind of take a look on all the data that you have from application, figure out where is the problem and fix it. I know exactly where is the problem in my application. That's currently that's conversion. Actually, converting users from free users to paying customers is not bad actually. From 32 downloads we got $13. It's decent. It's okay. If we will add kind of 2 zeros to this number, that will be amazing, you know. And in-app purchases are not the problem here. Not at all. In my case, problem is obvious. It's basically conversion rate and impressions. In your case, maybe that's something different. I don't know. Therefore, I asked, what is your conversion rate? How many downloads? How many app store? How many downloads you get, and what is your conversion rate? Revenue number is kind of secondary. Yeah, how can you find name A to Z? I wanted to find in App Store screenshots. I wanted to find that Opal app, but I wanted to see their screenshots. How you do that? Those are app screens. but that's not really what I'm interested in currently. Okay, and where are App Store? Maybe they don't have App Store screenshots. I don't know. What else? I know screen locking apps. I know there was this better something, better buddy, better friend. That was a popular one. Focus friend. Yeah. Focus friend. Focus friend. Yes. Yeah, but I'm kind of curious. I would like to see what do they have as App Store screenshots. Yeah, and if I'm going here, we are getting it like that. Newest, oldest, onboarding steps now, filter. What's that? All matching. Yeah, I wanted to see this one. App Store screenshots. I don't see how I can get there. Probably they don't have it. Because there are all app screens. Let's see if Mobin has it better. Mobin. Do they even have App Store screenshots? I think I have account. Let's see. I don't care about sites. Come on, stop hitting me with those ads. What are you doing? Opal. Okay, that's the app. Screens, your elements, flows. Seems that they don't have App Store screenshots at all. Yeah, I don't know. Dude, I just want to find... I just want to see what do they have in App Store screenshots. Come on, not here, not here. Really? Why? Okay, I can go to the App Store app probably. Let's see if they have this Opal app here as well. Yeah, they have. They have it here. Save. Shitload of minutes per day. I think I need something like that. Stop doom scrolling and basically kind of show applications and something, you know? I'm not sure, but I think something like that could work, you know? I think something like this could work. Let me see, can we see the... Oh, those are iPhone screenshots. Let's see. I think this. Also, I know another application. There was something forest, focus 3, focus 3 maybe. Focus 3. Yes. Timer and flashcards. Flashcards? Why flashcards? Okay, whatever. Okay, this is number 1, focus up for students, block distracting apps. Yeah, I think I need something like this on very first screen, you know, something like block distracting apps. Hey, Vanit. Here are App Store screenshots from Mac and iPhone App Store for applications which blocking distracting apps. Our application basically is Pomodoro timer focused on developers, CS students. It's quite similar to Focus Tree, which is just focused on students. I think we should show the app blocking on first screen instead of just screenshot. Please review screenshots and please review your suggestion. Keep in mind the provided link earlier to guide how to create screenshots. Let's see if we can get better suggestion. I like this better. I actually like this text. current screenshots just sucks, to be honest. Why can't I edit here? Actually, I don't like that font. Why I can't edit? Okay, I can. The corner timer that actually blocks apps. I'm not sure if I'm happy with that font. Actually, let's see. I have that another application, Screenshot Master, yeah. Let's see. iPhone 16 Pro Max, really? Wait a minute. Is it the latest and greatest version? Is that app abandoned or what? Why don't I see iOS iPhone 17? Okay, probably iPhone 16 or 17 is not big difference, but generally kind of. Wait a minute. How do you do that? Explore templates. Okay, here are templates. I think this one is okay-ish, but this one is not bad as well. So which one? This one? Probably they're not that different. Okay, I will keep going with this one then. Whatever. Pomodoro timer that actually works, actually blocks apps. The Pomodoro timer that actually works. Or just blocks apps. Actually, what do we have in that onboarding flow? We had a review in onboarding flow. We may show that probably. Onboarding. I got about 141k views on TikTok promoting my app and barely got 3 to 4 downloads. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for sharing. But it's not the first time I'm hearing that TikTok converts horribly bad. I heard that before, you know. It's not always so, but yeah. I heard that before already, that TikTok is the worst. Why you are kind of jumping over multiple screens? Dude. Okay, let's test it on simulator. Let's say, whatever, iPhone 15. Yeah, but that sucks. 400,000 views. 0 downloads. Not 0, okay, but yeah. I think Instagram is better, YouTube is the best, but YouTube, I would say YouTube long form videos are the best. Those are the hardest one to create. That's the biggest time commitment, right? I think this screen could be. I think we could drop that here. For conversions and promotions, yes. Yes, I think if I have to rank kind of social networks by traffic quality, let's say, I will say YouTube is the definitely winner. YouTube Shorts, that's YouTube long form. Also YouTube live streams are not bad, to be honest. YouTube long videos, YouTube live streams, then I would say YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, that's about the same. Instagram, maybe if you're just focusing on short form videos only, then I would say that YouTube Shorts are a little bit worse than Instagram in general, because Instagram is more than just Reels, you know. In Instagram you can post stories with links, you can post pictures and so on, but again, YouTube Shorts and Instagram, same, I would say. But the TikTok, I think that's the worst. The quality of traffic is not here. Facebook, any chance it's still relevant today for promotions? Depends on your audience, you know. If your audience is old farts like me, then maybe. Probably there are plenty of mid-age women on Facebook. Also, if you're targeting, you know, if you are B2B, you know, kind of building apps for business, maybe those business owners are older and they are still hanging out on Facebook, LinkedIn maybe as well, right? But if your target audience is younger generation, I just mentioned at Instagram. Yes, Instagram is good, better than TikTok. I think TikTok is the worst. I don't know. It's how I see that. Yeah, here we have iPhone 17. That's all right. Come on, that was fine. Device feel realistic. Okay. Bezel color black. Mist blue. Interesting. Yeah, why not? What's blur? Okay, I see. Loop on what? Oh, interesting. Yeah, you can do this thing. Yeah, it's actually nice. This application is actually nice. Can we kind of... I don't need loop on this screen actually, but... Okay. How do we add another screenshot? Okay, I see. Here. I think 6 is enough. How do we change design? Oh, I wanted then all of them be that kind of bezel. Oh, it's iPhone 16. Why? Figma for screenshots. Yeah, I'm using Screenshot Maker. I didn't see the iPhone 17 for some reason in device list. So therefore I switched to Picasso now. But yeah, do not forget about the Figma. Why do we have that? Okay. I wanted this blue on blue, because why not? iPhone 17 Pro, please. Blue. Okay, let's change all of them to do not forget later. Okay. I don't know if that's good first screen. Okay, but whatever. Let's probably a bit too much text here. We'll see. Okay, let's keep working on that. Timer screen is one day screen visible, maybe. Yeah, it's kind of. I will create this block apps screen. Okay, I will grab a few screenshots. photos, select. Okay. We have app blocking here, app blocking screen here. Here we have kind of 3 apps blocked. We probably can't zoom in on that thing. I think that screenshot will be better as a first screenshot. This is kind of very boring, you know. I think this image could be somewhere, but not on the very first screen. I think we can move it whatever, somewhere. Let's put it to the end now and then we'll see where it goes. I think the first screen should be probably this one. Come on. Can't I do that? I should be able to do that. I think, yeah, I think this could be first screen. Why you are orange? Maybe it's okay, actually. Oh, Foxbit, hello. Good morning. I'm streaming like crazy. Just to, you know, you to be able to come and say, oh, you're doing good job with streaming. And you're not coming. Finally, you're here, right? Okay, I think this loop is kind of looking cool. We need to move it. Oh, what the hell is that? Why we have offset for the frame? Should we have it? I don't think so. What is that offset? Okay, let's kill the loop. Where does that offset come from? Oh, it's so delayed. So delayed. Foxbit, yesterday I did something like 4.5, 5-ish. 5-hour stream, something like that. It's still kind of going. I do not... Stop already. Oh, finally. Finally. Can I do something like Control Z? Probably no. Oh yeah, I can. Okay, let's try to fix this. If I will remove that loop, can we put it back at normal? I think offset here should be just 0. Right? Yes. Okay, I don't know why and how this offset appeared. And let's add that loop. I would like to focus on this kind of 3 apps blocked thing. Okay, loop width. I kind of see that width probably is kind of border. I see your notifications on Discord but don't get notified about it. Huh, interesting, why? I think I need to write up for that. Oh, I think there was something like that, up like that. Actually, this is border thickness for loop, right? Yes. I think there was some kind of update that you're basically following your kind of favorite creators, getting notifications about them kind of creating contents on different platforms and so on. Of course, all of those products trying to make money. What was their business model? I don't remember. But somehow their idea and everything kind of failed. I don't know why, but what was the reason and so on. But yeah, generally. There was kind of product like that. Okay, that's width, that's height. Can we make it smaller? Yes, we can. It's too small. Yeah, it's kind of jumpy. Source. Okay, can we move it? Can we move that loop down? That's scale, that's shadow radius, offset. Shadow offset. And that's offset for the loop itself. Y should be up, down, right? Will it go down? Yes. Oh, it's going up. Oh no, I want it to go down. Okay, keep moving, keep moving. It doesn't look good. It looks... Ah, okay, I see. It doesn't change, basically. Okay. That's not what I wanted. I wanted to basically have that loop here on the timer. Yeah, yesterday was gaming stream. I got new mouse. Another Logitech mouse. Really good for gaming. I really enjoyed using it yesterday. Because XM4 or MX4, whatever is the right name, is good for everything but gaming. So, yeah. I use it Picasso for all my App Store screenshots. It's great. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I think I agree. It's good. Yeah, it's super light. This one. Super light Pro something. Super light 2. I don't know what is super light 1, but yeah. It was discounted, so I needed mouse. That's what I got. And it's good, it's really good. I'm still kind of bad at shooters, but actually I have to say I was better with it comparing with this MX4, MX Master 4. I was doing better. Okay, how can I move that? I would like to move that loop on that bottom part on the timer and kind of zoom in that timer. So offset will move just loop, but basically that will... So we need probably do source, let's say minus 30. Okay, we need plus 30. Delete plus 30. It's too much. 20. Change already, come on. Which direction it will go? Oh my gosh, what's that? 1. Come on. Okay, at least 10. What will we get? Update already. It's kind of slow. It's working, but it's kind of slow. Okay, it's closer to what I wanted. Where we are. 15 will go up or down. 15, enter. Now we are waiting. Did it change at all? Come on. Review video. Basically yesterday's live stream was kind of part of review. But I kind of cutting that yesterday's live stream to smaller kind of pieces for like, I don't know, first impressions, let's say, review. Is it moving up? Okay, it's moving up. Okay, that's what we wanted. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Almost there. Almost there. Stop already. Okay. Okay, good. Good. So now we need to make it somehow bigger. Scale. Yes. Something like that. And which direction did we go? No. Yes. And now we need to change position. Move it a little bit up. No. Yes. Like that. And now we can make it again a little bit bigger. I think it's kind of a little bit messy, but probably looking... Okay. Those 3 apps locked is kind of looks smallish, but at least we're showing that focus on this thing. Can you use that new Swift to Android multi-platform tool in Xcode already? I have no idea, Foxbit. I honestly don't know. I do not follow, to be honest. I have zero interest, in Android. So probably that's why. I don't really care. Okay, loop height, we can make it smaller now a little bit. Yes. Yes. I think it's good. Maybe a little bit to the top. Yes. Yeah, I think that it's kind of cool if we will be able to make it build apps for Android, but to be honest, I don't know when and if I will care about that. Frame probably could be blue, no? Or grayish. Yeah, I think grayish will be better than that black. Sure, we can go with greenish, bluish. Oh, maybe bluish. Nah, no. Black, that's black or gray. I think gray. Black is not looking good. Gray. Yes, dark gray. I think that's it. This screen is kind of a little bit busy here on the top, but I think whatever. Let's just kind of hit in the face. Okay, we need shorter version for this. We need shorter version for headers. This one is too long, but let's keep the same meaning, but make it maybe a little bit more punchy. This one is too long. It's too much words. Timer. That's how my timer app is working now. Okay, this was fixed. Also, we need the same fix for timers. On iOS 26, we are starting alarms. When session is started, we should double check if we're cleaning all of them on starting new session, killing timers, or kind of closing application after stopping timers and so on, all the edge cases. No, dude. Oh. Come on, what's that? Oh, Please, God, will be interesting to see video about it. About Android. Yeah, you know my take on Flutter and Androids, you know. There was one success story about app which making more money on Android than on iOS. That was HabitKit application developed using Flutter. But basically it was making first more money on Android than on iOS, then it was 50-50, and that was for a while success story, but currently he is 75-25. 75% income is from iOS and 25% are from Android. So meaning he basically just didn't kind of fix the ASO on App Store, and yeah, he basically downloads were kind of more. There were more downloads on Android in the beginning. When downloads become kind of equal, revenue spike moved. Biggest volume of revenue is coming from iOS, you know. Yes, I'm speaking about HabitKit. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. He was making more money on Android on beginning. Currently, it's kind of opposite. And he launched also some kind of... I didn't kind of pay attention on exactly what he's doing, but basically he launched some kind of Pomodoro timer or something, and that is SwiftUI only. No Android app. And that Flutter success story is nice until you start to build widgets, you know, everything and so on. It's kind of, yeah, it's really hard for me, Foxbit, to care about Android. There is no good reason to do that. I'm not making enough money to have free time to care about Android. Let's say so. Okay, this will be not hello world, but we will go with Pomodoro timer and app blocker. That will be our oh, I can get more space here on top. Was there different type of screen? Making those... Right. That's alignment for text, right? Center, color, font. Let's stick with this font. I'm fine with it, whatever it is. We need 2 lines. Okay, already better. Decoration, what's that? Laurels? Oh, interesting. Interesting. Those laurels. I don't need for this text, but that's cool to have them. Shadow. Do we need shadow? I don't think so. I don't see that this shadow do anything. Text color, probably we should go with this dark blue. Do we have any dark blue? Like this? Blue and blue? Ah, horrible idea. No. Okay, then probably we'll stick with black. Now let's move it a little bit up. Too high. A little bit too high. Don't jump. Don't jump. Stay here, right here. Pomodoro timer and app blocker. Oh, this song again. Go away. The only real thing on Android I really miss are well-designed apps. But the rest of the apps are really hard to see sometimes. Yeah, folks, but it's kind of... I totally understand you. I have been Android user. I had the same feeling, but it's now it's kind of, you know, it's like saying it's only thing that I miss in this restaurant is good food, you know. Something like that, because I think that currently it's yeah, sure, you can do a lot just using kind of that OS, Android or iOS. Yes, you can do a lot, but I think apps are still very important and significant part of device, you know. Honestly, I don't see how I could basically use Android if all the apps are shitty. And again, not all the apps are shitty, it's just kind of sure. Oh, I see, we can move it down, actually. What was that? We can move it down. Not all the apps are shitty, exactly as you said. Instagram, for example, is same shitty on almost every platform, right? It's not that different. Will it move it down? Which direction it's going? It's going up, okay. Instagram, Facebook, I don't know what else. Plenty of applications are basically same shit on each and every platform. But yeah, generally. If you are missing good app ecosystem, then for me that platform is kind of dead, you know. Remember whatever was the name for this Microsoft Mobile, I already forgot what was the name for their platform. Basically that was their problem, developers, right? That was their problem, they kind of missed that train. They didn't got developers on the platform, and that was it. That was it for them. I think something like that will work. Yeah, Windows Mobile, yeah, Windows Mobile, just Windows Mobile, exactly. They basically just kind of lost that battle, even without kind of really starting to fight in it, you know? Because they didn't have developers. Didn't got developers on the platform. That was it. Something is not good enough. We need to move it a little bit up, maybe. That scale, offset. Yeah, let's go a little bit up. Border thickness is fine, but I need just to move this up a little bit. Okay, to the source. Okay, here. Yes, that's what we need. Yeah, this moves a little bit up. Yeah, actually, I have to say it's good up. I didn't play with this up kind of enough. Now I see it's really great. It's really great. You can really do a lot of things here with screenshots. I like it. It looks already kind of... This 3 apps locked is kind of hardly visible, but okay, I will go with it for now. Fine. And yeah, I'm running my own kind of focus timers here. Now I have break. I will go and grab a drink. I will be back. And I will be back. Sorry, my English is broken. Hello, Dennis. Okay, I have less than an hour. In an hour I am kind of leaving to go to the airport. And no worries, I'm not leaving Thailand, I'm just meeting guests. Cinches should start sponsor me, I think. Also 7-Eleven. That's sushi. Sorry, that's my lunch break as well. I hope you don't mind. This is kind of 7-Eleven sushi. Basically rice. Rice with some fish inside. Oh, hey Danae. Hello. Okay, second screenshot, what do we do? Second screenshot is app blocking. Oh no, Tane. Today is next week. Yesterday was Sunday night, right? And I said, okay, enough playing games, I have to go to sleep. Let's continue next week. Today is Monday, so it's next week, dude. Do you test on older iOS like 18, 17? And what is your current minimum deployment? Depends on app. For this specific application, I am keeping iOS 18. Yes, I'm kind of testing for iOS. So we are iOS 18 here. Honestly, I'm not sure if I am supporting iOS 17 on any apps that I released recently. Even for freelance project, which is relatively huge, relatively big kind of audience, we are not supporting iOS 17 anymore. Lost any time feeling. Yeah, you know, it's kind of... Yeah, but we can blame me, you know, because I could say, see you in 12 hours, you know, or at least see you tomorrow, but I said, see you next week. Yeah, I think for iOS you can go with N-1 easily. Dennis, I don't think it makes big difference. I started like individual because I didn't have a company or anything. And then I switched that account to the organization. And honestly, I don't think there is big difference. And it's easy to switch to organization later. I was individual for I don't know how many years, many years. And I'm organization for last maybe 2.5, 3 years. Okay, I'm good to go. Again, focus. Let's go. What's Christmas plans? Spending time with family. I'm not religious. I do not care much about that, whatever religious part of Christmas, but we always kind of coming together with family, having meals together, gifts, you know, all that jazz. So that's good. Any tips to watch out when switching to org account? Also any pointers to get org set for non-as devs? You need your org. You need your domain, and you need some kind of company information on the domain that Apple will check that when you will verify your account. What else? All the accounting questions are country specific. Can't give any suggestions on that. That's about it, you know. If you're switching accounts, then be aware that, you know, do that in between payment days. Do not mess up with that. Yeah, klausos. Čau.
Mamma nepacēla.
Ok, tā gadās.
Jā, pasūtiet telefons nav priekš spēlēšanas.
Ok, pateikšu. Kas vēl? Tu brauc ar mums, ja tu paliec? Tu brauc uz... Ok. Ok, sarunāts. Labi, nāc. Labi. Tā. Čau. Okay, too many distractions. What I told you that Google wants to drop any side loading in near future. Yeah, exactly. We see that basically Google is becoming the same or even kind of harder for developers. I think it's fine they're doing regulations. That's their platform. They want to do some kind of regulations. I told that many times already. I do not care about side loading. So it's fine for me. I'm not saying it should not be viable at all. It's not that what I'm saying. I don't know. It's fine. But I totally understand why Google is doing that, and I most likely will do the same, you know, if I'm Google. Because why not? That's their platform. They would like to keep it nice, clean, safe. Makes sense. I think this is lockout distractions. And we need the same offset here. It was 305. Let's go with 305 here as well. It could be more. You can move the screen more down, but probably I want to have them on the same level. I think build consistency is good kind of thing. And again, we need this to be on 305 offset. Maybe I need a little bit more, but okay, let's stick with just 305. Yeah, I could come up with theoretical reasons why side loading should exist, you know, but honestly, I don't really kind of need it and do not see good reasons for. If I will be platform owner, I don't see good reasons to allow that. Because that's a lot of problems, you know, some kind of scams, hacks, piracy. It's a reason for a lot of problems, most likely, right? I think this will be the Pomodoro timer that actually works. social proof, right? And we will move this all the way down, something like, let's try 250, how that will look. Oh, no, more. Oh, it's 400, right? More, 400, let's say 500. No, 600, 560 or 600. Yes, something like that. Hi, Dresser, hello. I don't feel safe inside loading on device which I use to buy and pay for stuff. Yeah, exactly, folks. But yeah, that's what I'm saying as well. Yeah, those are huge risks, you know. Side loading is cool for kids, you know, to install cracked applications and so on. How to join your Discord channel? I will not lie that there is much happening on Discord channel, but you do that regular stuff, you know. Somehow seems that it wasn't triggered on YouTube. Let's see if we can help for that. Let's try here, Discord. Will that work? Yeah, it works. So, but... Oh, hey Pavel, hello. Yeah. Not a gaming stream today. Oh, this song is also kind of crack smokers. I don't know. Yeah, hey Pavel. Screenshots, you know, boring stuff. Hello Raiders. Hey Applicali, thank you for the raid. Welcome. Welcome. We are here preparing up for release. App Store release. This up. Yeah, Pavel, same. I was kind of thinking already, you know, I should ask Pavel, is that guy still kind of, is that your designer still making those screenshots? But I kind of already started and I was thinking, okay, whatever, I'll do that. So I think we need to put social proof somewhere here. Let's say screenshot number 4. Basically, Pomodoro timer and app blocker. Log distractions, build consistency. I don't know, there's not much to say more, but we have social proof. That should work. Why are you some kind of gray? You good? You good? Hopefully. Increase the prices quite a lot. Yeah. This is Picasso application for screenshots. You have the same keyboard, still struggling with it? You know, you need first to get better with touch typing. It's easy. You just buy another keyboard. I have this one. This is Happy Hacker keyboard, but if you will pay attention on the keys, you will see that those are basically without without characters on keys, and basically I learned touch typing, and now I'm kind of just fine with this keyboard as well. Still struggling with some special symbols, but typing is more or less fine. But yeah, this keyboard, I like how it looks, and I like that it is linear, you know, it's kind of a little bit easier to type. I don't know, I'm kind of coming back to this keyboard now. But yeah, now you know how to solve this problem. You just need another keyboard and easy peasy. Exactly. Okay, so what else screenshots do we need? Probably we need screenshots from some... Where's my poster check? Yeah, I don't know. It didn't appear. Did you request it? I don't see it. Oh, actually, you made a request. Foxbit, I believe you. Oh, now I hear it. Now I hear it. Yeah, I see, 2 of them. It's going like that. Oh. Actually, I could work like that. I need just a little bit higher pillow. That's doable. It's doable. We need to adjust microphone. What do you think, Foxbit? Rate my poster from... it's just a little bit hard to reach the switcher. But otherwise, I think it's perfect. I think this is perfect. Enable notifications, allow, continue, enable alarms, low, paywall, full binge. Yeah, I don't know which else screens we need. Probably we need some kind of streak. This screen should probably in the application. Settings, of course, no. Yeah, I don't know how many screenshots you can add to the app, which is kind of simple Pomodoro timer. Okay, that's enough. I work like that all the time. Otherwise I have my legs on the table. Yeah. I'm like sitting like that also, like cross legs. And that's also kind of very professional kind of thing. I can feel Paul's posture. Yeah. Okay, dudes, let me order taxi. I need to order taxi. Oh, I think to need first. Yeah, first we need to add money to my Revolut card. Let's do that. Oh yeah, I don't know what happened at this display, to be honest. Why everything is greenish. Did I do that? I think that could be some glitch with capture card, maybe. Probably that's that. Wait a minute, I need to book taxi to the airport. I think there's problem with capture card. Or HDMI port. Yeah, that's HDMI port. Yeah, that was it. HDMI port. Okay. Money arrived. Transport. Right later. We need airport. Suvarnabhumi airport, right? Right. Okay, we need today at 4. Okay, they don't want me to book in advance in half an hour. Okay, I will just book it when I will need to go then. Transport, airport. Choose this pickup. Wait time is 7 minutes away, so basically we are calling it later. Where are you flying? I'm not flying. Family is coming. Okay, let's chat a little bit. I have to wrap up the stream because I'm going to the airport. I'm not flying anywhere. I am basically waiting. My family is coming from Latvia to visit us and stay for Christmas and New Year. So basically for next something 3+, something like 4 weeks, something like that. Foxbit, I was streaming just for you yesterday for 4.5 hours and today for 3 hours already, dude. I'm hitting all the records. So I have to go. What else do we have here in the chat? Did I miss anything? Integrate build widget for iOS apps with obligated Apple developer subscription. You need Apple developer subscription to release apps in the App Store. Yeah, I do not see you often on streams, Foxbit. Yeah, it seems that I answered all the questions. Yeah, I do not see. Yeah, seems that I answered all the questions. Okay, guys, I have to go. I think I will stream tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to my Thai training and then I will come for stream. So it's early morning stream for you. And probably I will finish those screenshots tonight or tomorrow morning because I have to submit that up for review. Okay, how to go, meet family, then go with them to restaurant, you know, all the jazz. Okay, I really don't have time to look for someone to raid, so sorry, I will just drop the stream. So have a good one.